Hey guys, welcome back to the JeepSolid garage. So today we are doing an oil change on my 94 Wrangler, and this will actually save you some money and help maintain your Jeep. And actually, I'm a firm believer that you do a better job and you learn so much and save hundreds and hundreds of dollars. At least I've saved thousands of dollars over the years by doing repairs myself, and it's really not that hard. And yeah, you could run your vehicle down to the quick lube place and spend what, 35, 40 bucks, I don't know, and they could do it real quick for you. But one of the best things about doing your own oil changes is it's a great time to get underneath and inspect things. You know, look for oil leaks, look for broken tie rods. Well, if you had a broken tie rod, I guess you'd notice that real quick. But I don't know, a torn boot. It's just a good time to take a good look at things, and because you care about your vehicle more than the people at the quick lube place do, you're going to pay attention to those things. You're going to check your drive shaft for loose U-joints. It's just a great time to get under there and inspect things. So here I've laid out everything we're going to need for our oil change, and it really doesn't cost that much. Some of these are my favorite tools as well. I will link all of this stuff in the description below of everything I'm using here. And Redline was nice enough to send me this oil for this oil change, and that's one of the great things about doing these repairs yourself is you can buy better quality products for less than what you would pay going to a quick lube place. Now, as I usually do, I've taken the Jeep for a quick drive to just kind of warm up the oil a little bit. I feel like it helps kind of break up those deposits and things, so when I drain the oil, it flushes it out a little bit better. And this extendable socket wrench, this thing is becoming one of my favorites real quickly. Super handy for when you need just a little bit more leverage on something, not necessarily on an oil plug, but I'll just show you. Just extend it out a little bit. A little bit of leverage, pop it loose, shorten it up, and you can go fast. Super handy. Alright, let's throw the drain plug back in, and we're going to torque this to 25 foot-pounds. You just definitely don't want to over-tighten it. We'll move our drain pan up and get our filter off. I have not met a filter I could not remove with this thing. Other strap wrenches and things, I mean, they work okay, but I have used strap wrenches in the past that, I don't know, the filter's in a funny spot in the engine, you can't get the strap wrench on there real good, but this thing can go anywhere. I really like it. That is hard to do when you're pulling this off with one hand and trying to hold the camera with the other. But it does make me think of the other fun thing that I enjoy about doing my own repairs is it's just kind of fun to hang out in the shop. I usually put a little ball game on the TV, tinker on the Jeep a little bit, do something. It's a great way to spend a Saturday afternoon. So now let's prepare our new filter. Got a good Wix filter here, and we're going to take a little bit of our oil. We're just going to get a nice little layer around the top here. What you don't want is a dry gasket here up against your engine block. It'll like permanently fuse itself, and you'll end up having to scrape gasket off the surface of your engine block. So be sure to lube it up a little bit before you put your new filter on. And now we're going to spin this filter just until it's seated against the block there. And as soon as it touches, that's our starting point, and we're going to go another 3/4 of a turn to make sure it's on tight. You don't want to over tighten this either. Let's see, I'm just touching right there. So let's go another 3/4 of a turn. Rubber glove like this helps me get a better grip on it, because my hands are a little oily anyways. Now here I'm using a 10W30 because it doesn't get super cold where I'm at. You can use a 5W30 if where you're at gets particularly cold, but this will work great for me. And now the 6-cylinder engine is going to take about 6 quarts. I'm going to throw about 5 in it and then check where I'm at. Start it up, run a little oil through the filter because the filter is going to be dry. 4-cylinder engine, you're going to use about 4 quarts. Alright, that's 5 quarts. Let's check our level here. So we're in the safe zone there, a little bit low still, but we still need to start the engine and run a little oil through the filter, fill it up as well. Yeah, it needs 1 more quart. Put like 75% of that in. Let's check it real quick. So you definitely don't want to overfill it. So that's a pain, can cause its own issues. You end up having to drain a little bit out. I don't have to bother doing all that. Yeah, we're still okay. And there we go, as easy as that. Using better products, paying more attention to the details, learning more about your vehicle, saving money. So I'm curious how many of you guys do your own repairs, your own maintenance, your own oil changes. Because yeah, I think you can just do a better job, use better quality products, and learn more about your vehicle. If you've never done an oil change before, this video is made for you. So leave a comment down below. Let me know if this helped you out. Let me know if you do your own repairs yourself, or if it's just easier for you to take it to a lube shop. I'm curious about that. What do most of you guys do? So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.